What's up, guys? Two Real Geeks here today at the Arabic Mountain State Park at the...
No, it's not.
What's up, guys? Two Real Geeks and Leia here from the Arabia Mountain State Park at the Nature Preserve here today. We're gonna be here on a nice, peaceful adventure through the woods. Let's go. So we got Leia vision going on today too. She's mounted up with the camera and she just wants to go in the woods. So here's some information about the trail that we're on. The trail is 3.12 miles and it is an elevation of 880 feet. Not that we know what the elevation and all that means for the trails, but now you guys know. So these little mountains of rocks and everything behind me are actually offshoots from the Stone Mountain on the other side of where we are. So kind of cool to know that they actually come underground and they come back up over here in Stonecrest from Stone Mountain. This is actually kind of peaceful back here, huh? It really is. Like, this is one of these hidden places that we just discovered. Didn't realize it was just like this. So, definitely a nice little escape from everything.
We took the road less traveled.
Yeah, we definitely did. But it's the road with adventure on it, so why not, right? Someone's been de-leashed. That's cool, that tree. Leia, no, make a right. Come on, make a right. Let's go. Make a right. This way. So we just found this in the middle of the woods. Every time Jess and I end up in the woods, it ends up to be something creepy for some reason. Right, Jess? So, the Mary Wade grave. Yeah, you know we're gonna check that out. Come on. Hey, Jess, what do you think it is? Think it's like the Blair Witch? Kind of creepy. I mean, we do have our fearless leader right there. So, I don't think anything can go wrong. Let's see. This did start off as a nice calm walk. Oh man, look at this rock. Look at this rock right here. Thing's huge. I'm gonna try to get on it. Guess what? I made it up. Check it out. It's crazy.
What you doing up there?
What you doing down there? Okay, we gotta go catch up to Jess and Leia now. They didn't want to become adventurous as I was to come up this giant rock, but it's not easy. Hold on, this might be interesting to watch. All right, we're down. Apparently Leia wanted to be like me. What are you doing? What are you doing? You're hiding from Mom? Leia, this is a crazy trail.
I don't know where that grave is supposed to be because I feel like we walked too far already.
Well, I don't know, but as long as we keep on the white markers here, we should be okay. I don't know. What are you doing up there? This is how horror movies start. We say this every time we're in the woods.
You hear banjo music. Run.
There's a house in the middle of these roads. Uh-oh. We sure did find a grave. This is creepy. Jess, what do you make of that? Look at the fencing and why is there just one single grave out here?
Headstone and a footstone. two different ones?
I don't know.
And it looks like there's some kind of writing on it, but it's not.
It's so old that
English.
it's war.
No, but it's not English.
It's not English. What are you doing?
Eat the leaves. Don't eat the leaves.
Jess just said she's calling off like a pig. Okay, Mary. We're gonna leave you be, Mary. The weird thing about this whole thing is right behind these trees is the main road. I don't think anybody really knows that this is here. So now we gotta backtrack the same way we came. When you're in the middle of the woods, you just need to stop and take a break every once in a while. Leia, where are you going? Stop making your own road. Stop making your own road. Come on. So Jess just told me I might need to carry the dog. I know you're serious. What do you think, Leia? Should I carry you? Jess, we made it back to civilization. Almost. When I mean civilization, I mean we got pavement again. I can tell you right now, somebody's tired. I'm trying to convince Jess to get bikes and go up and down these trails. Because apparently there's a lot to explore on these things, so tell her too that you want to see us biking up and down these trails soon. Jess, we're getting bikes?
The only way I'm getting a bike is if it has a sidecar.
Why?
Because I'm not leaving my dog home. So, bike around the woods.
We could probably arrange that.
If I had to have a sidecar.
Yeah. We could arrange, they have those kid ones. Yeah.
But not like a seat. She can't be in the seat.
No, it's like an actual cart.
Okay, maybe.
Okay. So you heard it from Jess. As long as we get something for Leia to go biking with us.
I believe what they heard was baby.
As you heard from Jess was we could do it. How was that, Jess? It was, right?
We definitely have to come back.
You gotta come back. There's a lot more trails in there that we have to explore. I think this is gonna be a new thing for us. It's a whole like neat little nature.
I know Leia will love it.
Yeah.
Leia loves social distance.
Yeah, she does.
The only places we can go is places she can go.
Best way to social distance that we've been finding is to actually hit up in the woods. We go in the woods, hide, and we get our mind off of everything going on right
Like,
now.
You know, we've passed people, but
Yeah,
everybody
but
just gives themselves a wide.
You got nature. You got nature to give yourself so much room. So
everybody's been good and been like really conscious
Yeah.
about like, you know, staying pretty far away. if you
Exactly.
have somebody and stuff.
but get out here and explore things though, guys. That's all I can say is that it's so much out here to see. So but you know what though, guys? We're back at the parking lot. And that only means one thing.